Bananas. Once a big industry in Coffs Harbour, now the region produces more blueberries than anywhere else in Australia. Other crops like cucumbers are grown here too. To increase yield and boost plant health, farmers use fertilisers on these food crops. After heavy rain and flooding, untreated excess fertiliser, which has elevated nutrient levels, can cause algal blooms and create greenhouse gas emissions. That's a problem because downstream, creeks and lakes drain into a really important habitat protection zone, the Solitary Islands Marine Park.
We're from the National Marine Science Centre and we look at horticultural industry and the effect on waterways.
Agricultural intensification in the region is the culprit of elevated nutrient concentration in the creek.
Our research team is working with farmers, local council and the New South Wales Government to try and mitigate these issues. One solution proving successful is bioreactor systems. Designed to act like a filter, the bioreactor catches excess nutrient runoff before it enters waterways. A large pit is dug in the ground and filled with wood chips. Bacteria, the tiny bugs that live in the soil, eat the carbon in the wood chips as well as the nitrogen in the runoff. The bacteria convert much of the nitrogen into a colourless, odourless and safe gas called dinitrogen.
The nitrous oxide emissions produced from the bioreactor are far less than what happens naturally in fertilised soils. So these bioreactors can not only reduce nitrogen coming into the creeks and downstream areas, but also they can mitigate climate change.
Large nitrous oxide emissions downstream of intense fertilizer use might be occurring in other horticultural regions of Australia and the world. This problem is in its infancy of being understood.
I think we all want to see sustainable environmental outcomes and also healthy crops. If we can achieve both of those things, now we're really on a winner.